Hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to download the Spotify Wrapped in your iPhone. So how can you do it? You can just click ahead and open your App Store, and just like so you can connect your account to the App Store like so if you don't have any account. And for me, I'm already logged in, and for you, let's get ahead and click on search, and just like so you can search for Spotify. And for example, for me, I have it downloaded, so for the sake of this tutorial I will disinstall it and download it again for you guys. So let's disinstall it, remove it, delete app, as you can see, and now let's download it again just for the sake of this tutorial. So click on App Store again, search for Spotify, and then click on here, and as you can see it is perfectly downloaded. So what you gotta do is wait a couple of minutes or seconds, it depends on your Wi-Fi actually, and yeah, after it will be downloaded you will be able to access the Spotify library. You will be able to like create your premium account, to do stuff like that. And for those who doesn't know what Spotify is for, Spotify is basically a platform like Netflix and YouTube, which gives you services that include only music. So if you have any music in your mind and you want to listen to it, you have to get Spotify. It is so good. So as you can see, it is now ready to be opened. So let's click on it, and here you go. We wait a couple seconds, and now they give you this one, like, would you like to send your notification? I will click on allow, and here you go. Now it is installed. If you want like to connect your account, you can just come here and put your account. If not, you can just log in as a guest and listen to whatever music you have in this page. So that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.